Hi guys, welcome back. This is Miss Patterson and we are going to work on writing. So, on Friday, we worked on our heart map and we talked about all kinds of different things we could tell stories about because sometimes you run out of ideas and sometimes I can't even think about something else to write about. So, today we're going to do a show and tell book about a place. So, on your heart maps that you made that we put in our green folders, there was a spot for you to put different places you might be able to write about. Maybe it was Disney World, or going to the park, or the beach. Maybe it was your favorite restaurant, or your house, or the grocery store. So, Miss Patterson is going to walk you through how we're going to do our first page of writing today. So, all we're going to be doing today is drawing pictures and showing and telling about the place, page to page. Tomorrow, you will also just be drawing an additional 2 pages of pictures, showing and telling more about that place. So, I'm going to show you my paper and I will show you how we're going to do this. All right, so this is my writing paper, so it's super important that you put your name on top. Miss Patterson is going to put her name on top because today when you're done, Miss Ellis is going to pick these up and then you will get them back tomorrow to continue. So I am going to write about the beach. All right, so first I'm going to draw a big part of the beach so everyone knows what I am writing about. I'm gonna draw the sand because that's at the beach. And I'm going to draw some pretty blue water. I'm going to draw a palm tree because you might see that at some beaches. With my little coconuts. I'm going to draw a big great sun. I'm going to draw some big clouds in the sky. And some birds, because you know there are always birds at the beach. Big old seagulls. All right, so on my first page, I have drawn what place I'm talking about. You can look at my picture note. This is the beach, and this is what I'm talking about. So when I have added lots of details and drawn my whole picture and colored it so nicely, we are not scribble scrabbling. So do not scribble scrabble all over your paper. We are not writing sentences yet. We are not labeling yet. None of that is going to happen until Wednesday. So you should have just drawn a nice, beautiful picture. You'll go to the back. Now I'm going to think about the beach, and I'm going to, on this page, write one part of the beach. So maybe on this part, I'm going to talk about the sand. So this is the first part of the beach, the sand. What you first walk onto. I'm going to draw my sand. I'll go ahead and draw. There's obviously the water is out here. And what can I tell you about the sand? Well, sometimes on the sand, you might see a crab. So I'm going to draw a little crab here. Make sure I draw his big pinchers. You're going to need some eyeballs. And then he has some other little legs. There's my crab. All right, well, what else might there be on the beach? Well, when I go to the beach, I like to take a bucket and a shovel so that I can build sandcastles. So I've colored the crab, my bucket, my shovel. Well, what else might be on the beach? Well, I can guarantee you that I would be on the beach. I'm going to draw myself. And I am so happy because I'm hanging out on the beach. And, I have a lot of space here, so I can add even more detail. So I'm going to draw a big umbrella. Because I like to hang out under a big umbrella with my big beach towel. I'm going to draw my big beach towel. I want to make sure I also color in my umbrella. And it is some bright colors because it is all beachy. So for today, this is kind of all I will be doing because this is the only sheet of paper you're going to get. You're also going to get another sheet of paper, but you will not get that until tomorrow. So on the front, here's the whole picture. Here's the whole beach. So everyone knows that Miss Patterson is writing about the beach. Then I flip it over to my first page. I'm telling you about the sand. All right? And I'm drawing all of my details. Here's the crab. Here's an umbrella. Here's me, my beach towel. Here I am. Here's my bucket. Here's my shovel. And I'm just hanging out at the beach. So Miss Patterson is not going to make a writing video for Tuesday because we're just doing the same thing. So you're going to add on. So you're going to have your cover that has your whole place that you're showing and telling me about. You have to pretend like I've never been there. So let's pretend that you've never been to the beach and you have no idea what the beach is about. I want to make sure I'm adding lots of detail so you know exactly what's going to happen at the beach. My first page is all about the sand. The sand is a really big, important part of the beach. So my whole page 2 is only about the beach, the sandy part of the beach. So then tomorrow on Tuesday, Miss Ellis is going to give you a whole new plain blank sheet of paper. And she's going to staple it together with you first. So on this next page, on Tuesday, you are going to need to find something else about your place to write about. So I could write about the water and I could show you all the animals because there are tons of animals in the water at the beach. I could do my next page all about the water and what's inside. Maybe I am telling you about what I find in the sand. Maybe I've dug in the sand and found a bunch of stuff in there. Maybe I'm talking about the jetties or those big rocks that are out in the water. And I'm telling you what I did up there. Maybe I'm fishing over there. Maybe I'm trying to catch hermit crabs that have fallen into the jetty area. Maybe I'm running across them. So you want to tell about another part of your place on each page. Each page is a different part of your place. You are showing and telling me through these pictures all about the place you want to tell me about. And remember, you're going to act like I've never been there before. Maybe I have never been to the beach or Disney World, or I've never been to your house. You could pretend Miss Patterson has never been to the grocery store. So this is your video for Monday and Tuesday. Just remember that it's important that on the first page you draw the whole place, and on each page you are drawing a specific part of that place. We'll see y'all again very soon. Bye for now, and have a great day. Make sure you listen and follow directions.